There are many different ways that you can access anatomy. The fastest way is to use the content search, which is available from both the home screen and the anatomy screens. The content search returns individual structures, pre-made views, animations, quizzes, muscle actions, and cross-sections. You can also choose to browse quick views by region, system, or category on the main menu. Once in a view, there are several ways to add or remove content. The system tray is a broad stroke that will let you add or subtract entire systems. You can individually fade, hide, or show any structure in a view using the buttons in the content box. You can use the multi-select option to help speed up the process. If you know the name of the structure that you are looking for, you can use the index. Browse entries alphabetically, or search by name. Choosing a structure or search result from the index will add it to your current view. A quick way to add surrounding structures from all systems is to use the radius blast. This will add thoughtful content around a selected structure, one layer at a time. If you've gone a step too far, you can use the History button to undo your last action. The real hidden gem that will give you a higher level of control within a system is the hierarchy or breadcrumb trail. The caret in the content box will reveal a hierarchical list of anatomy. Each item in this list can be selected and turns on and selects all of the structures beneath it. Use this in conjunction with the Hide button to further customize your view. When studying the pelvis, you may find it helpful to convert the sex of the model. This button will swap out corresponding anatomy for the opposite sex, but otherwise leave your view unchanged.